All right, Doozer shop here on a weekday. Got a package bought off a gentleman on Practical Machinist in the classified tooling section. His name was he goes by Morse Taper 2, and I think he's on Practical Machinist and Home Shop Machinist. But I won't say his name. Let's just use his handle, Morse Taper 2. And I seen what he had for sale, so I got a box. I got a box. I forget what I paid for this. It was like, I don't know, 60 bucks or something. I don't remember, something like that. So let's open her up. Morse Taper 2 is in Maryland. Is where he lives. Right? Ooh, yeah. Nice pack job. Morse Taper 2. We got some plastic pillow. Man, cardboard. Right? Look at this, man. Guy's a pro. Oh, wow. Man, it's got like a little bed. Got little side curtains here. All this stuff. Yeah. What's it say? Ford Motorcraft parts. Got like a double bottom. Wow. More pillows. This guy's a pro. And look it. It's taped to this. Man, this guy's awesome. Okay. No sparing the tape here, boy, I'll tell you. Thank you, Morse Taper 2. Golly. Man. This guy's a champ. It's still packed up like a burrito here. Alright, well. That's why I do these videos, I guess. Burrito. Everybody loves burritos. I do. Ha-ha! The goal! Alright, dudes, dudettes. This is a Armstrong shaper planer tool holder, right? Awesome. So, get some of this stuff out of the way. Alright. I don't know. You guys can ride a pony here. Alright. Let's lock that down. Lock down that clown. So right here, get you some Illuminati. Oh man, like a pro. Like a pro, dude. Alright, like a pro. Alright, you guys can see this, right? So I just got a dummy piece of ground steel. And there. So let's bring this guy to the party, hey? Oh man. Oh yeah, it fits. Oh, it fits perfect! Dude! Goodness! Look at that thing. It was cut down in size, but I think it's perfect for my little side head. Oh yeah. It's all... Yeah, man, the width is good. The clampage is perfect. Look at that. Spot on, right? Now this thing goes up. Nope, yep. Oh, look at that, mama. So, of course, you put your your bit in there. Da-da-da-da. Right? Do what you got to do with it. All right? Good deal. All right. Well, thank you, Morse Taper 2. There's your clapper action. So, yeah. Let's see. I'll kind of take you guys back a bit here. Alright, so what we've got here is the main. Let me get you angled. There you go. This is the main one, right? Clapper action. And this is a big number 42 Williams? I don't know. Could be an Armstrong. I don't know. So now I got the side one, the side tool holder, and then the main. Ooh, lamp is in the frame. Right, so that's cool. And yeah. I wanted to bring your attention to something. So, back you up on the mighty Rockford. The mighty Rockford hydraulic open side planer. All right. So, look at the side profile here for a minute. And like I said, here's your clapper. But see, the plane where you mount your tool is the face of this. Right, the face of that. That's where your tool's mounted. If you look at it from the side, actually, let me just clip you on there. All right. All right. So as I said, there's your clapper. And you always want your tool in line or behind this flat surface, right? So this surface and that little area there, that's where it flexes, right? So if your tool is exerting force on the work, it's pushing, excuse me, the work is pushing the tool back that way, and it's going to deflect. Where is it going to deflect? Right here, right? Because that's the area. That's the bottom of your, your compound support there. So your tool is going to bend right in here, because that's where the support is. So you want your tool tip behind where it's going to bend. So a lot of guys run this thing forward. And the problem with that is if your tool is here, if it digs in, it's going to go deeper, right? It's just this, if you draw a line from here to here, right? Right? If you draw a line from there to there, and this thing flexes, the whole thing gets longer, because you got a diagonal line from the point of flexing, the point of flexure, diagonally to there where your cutting bit would be. So that if you load the tool up, it digs deeper, because this whole thing cants and bends and flexes. If you got your tool tip here, draw a line straight down to your tool bit. When you load it up, instead of digging in, the tool unloads and it does not dig in. It actually relieves some of the depth of cut. So that's why it's important. You can run this flipped around. You can have the draw nut on the back and the actual, part that holds the tool bit on the front. You can run your tool up here, but your geometry is wrong in regard to if it digs in, it's going to bite deeper. You don't want that. If it digs in and flexes everything, you want it to not dig deeper. You want the tool to actually, the depth of cut to unload and get slightly less, not slightly more. And I see Facebook and Instagram and, you know, famous YouTube celebrities running these upside down or backwards or whatever you want to call it. And sometimes you need to for clearance on a job. You absolutely might have to do that. But, you know, 90% of the time, put your tool bit behind the axis of flexure. And one very popular YouTuber, I mentioned this to him, and he posted in the comments when we were going back and forth a picture out of a textbook that showed it forward. And that's fine. Well, I showed him at least 2 or 3 pictures from different textbook clips with it backwards. But it's not about, it's not a right or wrong thing in so much as it's, what do you want it to do? It's the vectors, the forces and the magnitudes and the direction of the forces and the geometry. You know, we're not talking speed of light. Excuse me. We're not talking speed of light here. It's just the geometry of when the force is applied and where is the flex happening. And does it make the tool dig in more, which causes chatter and bad stuff, or does it make the tool unload and dig in less? The depth of cut gets less. So, like I said, it's not wrong. It's just like, you know, if you can, I just want people to understand the physics of what's going on. You can machine it, I don't care. But when I try to help people, and they say, oh, you know, their rationale is, you know, I've always done it this way, and the guys that taught me that did it this way, and he was 80 years old, and he did it for 40 years, and you know, I get you, guy, I 100% understand. But there's always a better way, a more enlightened way and understanding. I'm sorry I'm going on about this. And I like to teach people. I don't like to get in arguments with people. I don't. But I figure I'm put on this earth. I have this YouTube channel. I want to kind of talk about that. So that's cool. I'm going to move the light source, move the lamp, and put that back. There. Let's look at this for a while. Is that good? Yeah, that works. Yeah. Spring's a bit lighter. I need to get a tool bit in there, but that's okay. I wonder. So the big one, no, that doesn't fit there. I don't know what fits that. That fits that. That's cool. And that fits some other stuff up here. Okay. All right, that fits. Okay. So I got a wrench to fit that. The big one's always been a separate wrench. I don't even know what that is. I gotta look. All right, I guess I rambled along enough with that. So thank you, Morse Taper 2, for selling me this, and it's on the Rockford planer. And man, I love it. Freaking love it. Freaking sweet, dude. Thank you so much. And you can use lathe tool holders also, right? Let's just take a walk. So that's some of the tooling. They're lathe tool holders, right? Those are the ones for the side head, right? That's an angled one, straight one, and then the big ones, right? Oh my God, I can't lift that. I mean, that's huge, freaking huge. And I got 2 lefts and 1 right. I don't know. Well, anyhow, thanks for watching this unboxing, and you know, thanks to Morse Taper 2 for selling me this. Cool. So till next time, Doozer Shop.